You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation for more confusing names of different spirits and liqueurs, cocktails. Make sure to stay tuned, we've got tons more coming up. Aquavit from Oslo, Sweden, I believe, right? Linie Aquavit, Linie, Norway, it's actually Norway. Linie Aquavit, brand of Norwegian Aquavit, Linie Aquavit. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.